So guys, आज आ गया है हमारे पास the CMF Phone 1. This is the latest smartphone by Nothing sub brand the CMF, and आप सब जानते हैं that CMF is basically Nothing's resolution and solution to a more budget friendly options. पहले हमने इनके साथ काफ़ी सारे एक्सेसरीज देखे हैं, जैसे कि हमने वॉच देखी थी, हमने TWS बड्स देखे थे, बट नाउ दे आर कमिंग आउट विद अ ब्रांड न्यू स्मार्टफोन एंड आई हैव गॉट दैट स्मार्टफोन राइट हियर. इट्स द Phone 1. वी विल बी अनबॉक्सिंग इट टुडे एंड मोर हमारे पास इसकी कुछ बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सेसरीज भी हैं. So let me show you them very quickly. So we've got these 3 covers along with this phone, and by the way these covers are not a put on covers. ऐसा नहीं होता कि इनको आप फोन के ऊपर लगाते हैं. You can actually replace the back of this device. वो भी हम आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाएंगे. Also we have got some more accessories that you can order when you buy this phone. So इनको भी हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं how you can apply them all. मेरा नाम है ध्रुव मोहन, आप देख रहे हैं Business Insider India, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more tech and auto content along with all the information that you need, because we are everything business, everything India. Let's begin with the unboxing. जैसा आप देख सकते हैं, the box follows the design language of the Nothing phone that we have seen. It's a very sleek box, very minimalist approach when it comes to the design. It reads CMF by Nothing Phone 1 because yes, this is the first phone from the CMF brand. Nothing के साथ अगर आपको नहीं पता, already Phone 2 भी आ चुका है, and then there's the Phone 2A as well. This is the first one from CMF, that's why it reads Phone 1. It should not be confused with Nothing, just FYI. Let's start unboxing it. By the way, while the box is fairly compact, I have to appreciate the quality of the box as well. If you are someone like me who's a nerd about all these packaging, it is a delight. Moving on, सबसे ऊपर हमें देखने को मिलता है Phone 1. And here it is. So here is the CMF Phone 1. Now, as you would see, there is no glyph lights on this one. Glyph lights are something that we see on Nothing phones. As you know, वो उनका एक बहुत major USP है. You can actually customize them if you want. But इधर आपको बहुत basic plain design देखने को मिल रहा है. It's a very industrial design, I would feel. मुझे personally बहुत पसंद है ये वाला particular design because you know it gives a very hard-earned look. That's what I really like about it. Also अगर आप note करें, everything here is very practically done. For that matter, if you look on top, you get a ring around side the camera setup, which again to me it looks very good. थोड़ा polarizing design है, that much I can already say, but I like it a lot. It's really lightweight as well. सामने की तरफ आपको 6.7 इंच का Super AMOLED डिस्प्ले देखने को मिल रहा है with 120 Hz of refresh rate. We will of course turn it on and show you as well. And I'm booting it up. जैसा मैं आपको बता रहा था, इसका एक बहुत मेजर USP ये है कि you can actually open up these screws and replace the back, जो कि हम आपको दिखाएंगे अभी when we move forward with the video. Also बहुत सारे रेंडर्स में हमारे को ये दिखाया गया था, you are seeing this dial, and initially even I assumed कि इस dial को यूज़ करके maybe you can customize certain things, जैसे आप वॉल्यूम वगैरह चेंज कर पाएंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. The use of this is again more aesthetic, not software. So for example, you can actually rotate this dial and it's basically something that is keeping the cover intact. Let me quickly show you how. So you can actually take out the screw and then you can replace the entire back by after removing of course all the other screws. So you can do that. Now the device is turned on, we'll boot it up. Getting back inside the box, आपको एक basic cable देखने को मिलती है. It's a Type C to Type C cable. Again guys, it's not as aesthetically pleasing as we see in other Nothing devices. When you unbox them, वहाँ पे बड़ा transparent सा cable मिलता है, बड़ा good looking सा cable मिलता है. No charger inside the box by the way, but it does support 33 watt fast charging. Here you're getting to see some paperwork, and then you have a SIM ejector tool, which is a bit unique. It comes with that classic CMF orange color. Now that the smartphone has boot up, I can show you that it is running on Nothing OS 2.6. This is the same operating system that you get to see on the Nothing devices as well. ये एक ecosystem का part है, and that is why these all devices are connected. This does come with Android 14 out of the box. Visual style choose करने को बोल रहा है. We will go with the Nothing visual style because that is what it looks best with. So here we are inside the CMF Phone 1. By the way guys, क्योंकि हमने Nothing Phone 2, 2A सब review करे हैं, मैं कह सकता हूँ आपको अभी से ही that this device actually feels and behaves like a true Nothing device, like their devices which are much above ranked in their price segment. The display is 6.7 inches, 120 Hz refresh rate. Overall, very good to interact with. Of course, हमें इस price segment में काफ़ी सारे compromises देखने को मिलते हैं, but here they have worked with certain things that are good. For example, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor on this one, not a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is common at this price segment. इसके और भी बहुत सारे features हैं which are on your screens right now. Now that you know the specifications, here are some highlight features which I felt are very good. Number one, I like the build quality. As I said, it comes with IP52 rating. So yes, it is indeed water resistant. So that means you can take it out. It can take some punishment for sure. Design language, again, थोड़ा polarizing है. मुझे personally अच्छा लगा, लेकिन I know a certain amount of people who do not really find it appealing. I think it will grow on you, and that is the reason that they have provided cases to customize it eventually if you want to. Another highlight which I really like is of course the software experience. It comes with Nothing OS 2.6 out of the box with Android 14. It comes with 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security updates. Now what that means? It means that this device, especially जो users के लिए बनाया गया है, जो कि है आपके college students, they will really enjoy it because देखिए कॉलेज के बच्चे वैसे भी 2 साल यूज़ करके फिर इवेंचुअली नया फ़ोन की डिमांड कर ही देते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स को या खुद ले लेते हैं. उसके हिसाब से फॉर अ बजट दिस विल परफॉर्म रियली वेल. अगर हम आगे बढ़ें, जो अगली जो चीज़ मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर में अच्छी लगती है वो ये है कि इट इज़ अ वेरी क्लीन एक्सपीरियंस. यहाँ पर देयर इज प्रैक्टिकली नो ब्लोटवेयर. देयर इज नो ब्लोटवेयर ऑन दिस डिवाइस विच इज़ वेरी अनकॉमन इन दिस प्राइस सेगमेंट. येस, 128GB स्टोरेज आई फील इज वेरी लिमिटेड. दे हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ इट बिकॉज दिस डज सपोर्ट TF कार्ड्स ऑफ अप टू 2 TB. सो दैट मीन्स कि आप इसके अंदर कार्ड डाल सकते हैं बिकॉज इट कम्स विद हाइब्रिड सिम स्लॉट एंड यू कैन स्टोर एज मच डेटा एज यू वांट इन इट. कैमरा एक और सरप्राइजिंग हाईलाइट था मेरे लिए इस डिवाइस के अंदर, विच वॉज बेसिकली दैट इट कम्स विद 50 मेगापिक्सल ऑफ प्राइमरी सेंसर एंड साथ में पोर्ट्रेट सेंसर दिया गया है. देखिए प्रैक्टिकल यूसेज उस पोर्ट्रेट सेंसर का सिर्फ एक ही एप्लीकेशन बनता है, वो है कि ये एज डिटेक्शन के काम आता है एंड वो ये पोर्ट्रेट सेंसर बखूबी कर लेता है, विच आई रियली अप्रिशिएट. आई थिंक दैट द कैमरा परफॉर्मेंस इज मच बेटर देन व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड पर्सनली. अब ये तो हो गए प्रोज, लेकिन इस डिवाइस में डेफिनेटली थोड़े से कॉन्स हैं एंड I might be nitpicking here, but let me start. Number one, it does not come with a dual speaker setup. I know इस price segment में dual speaker setups इतने ज़्यादा famous नहीं हैं, but because device का display इतना impressive है that I would have really appreciated a dual speaker setup on this one. Again, it is not a compromise in any which way. Secondly, इसके अंदर जो internal storage का option आता है 128GB, I know there is a TF card solution available, but मुझे लगता है अगर आपके on device storage better हो तो better रहता है because you know you can store more applications. कॉलेज सेंट्रिक बच्चों के लिए डिवाइस बनाया गया है एंड कॉलेज के बच्चे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियो गेम्स एंड दीज गेम्स आर नाउ कमिंग इन वेरी हैवी फाइल्स. तो उस केस में अगर इस डिवाइस पे ऑन डिवाइस स्टोरेज ज्यादा होती तो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा हेल्प मिल जाता. बट ऑफ कोर्स गाइस, देयर आर सर्टेन एलिमेंट्स व्हिच वी कैन कमेंट ऑन ओनली आफ्टर एक्सटेंसिव टेस्टिंग. जैसे कि अगर हम इसके प्रोसेसर और परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें तो वहां पर हमारे को प्रॉपरली टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा इस डिवाइस को. सो जो MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Max प्रोसेसर है उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रहेगी जानने के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड टू आवर वेबसाइट. वी विल बी कमिंग आउट विद द फुल रिव्यू वेरी सून. अब नाउ दैट दिस इज आउट ऑफ ऑप्शन, लेट्स क्विकली स्विच टू द एक्सेसरीज बिकॉज आई नो दैट यू आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. नाउ गाइस, as I told you that Nothing is providing you accessories here like these 3 covers. Let me quickly show you how one of them is applied. Let's go ahead with orange. It also shows you the process of how you can change the cover. I feel like an engineer, by the way. Alright guys, now that took a while, so spoiler alert. Let me now remove the case. So this is how you can remove the back, and now simply you can apply it here, and then of course you can screw the back, and of course once you put up the screws this look will be completed. This one comes with a vegan leather back, so it looks very nice. Now of course you do get more accessories here, like you get a phone stand, you get a card case, and you also get a lanyard. I'll show you one accessory how it can be applied. Now here's the lanyard. Let me quickly show you how you can use it. Again, basic paperwork. So you screw this up and here it is. You can just put it up like this and so guys, this was the first impression of the CMF Phone 1. Very interesting device, very aggressively priced device I would say, and I think this one might be a winner. What do you think about this one? Comment down below and make sure to subscribe to Business Insider India. I'll see you in the next one.